So the markets are telling you that if you're a trader, look at that as an opportunity. First rates, remember SGX was down, so I'm not expecting a big bang start, and it is not a big bang start. But markets, pharma stocks looks like they're picking it up from where they left yesterday. The breadth is not terrible or horrible, but IT is not picking it up from where it left yesterday. No large big newsmakers, but broadly speaking, the market is aligning with global cues. 0.5% cut is par for course in my book. TCS, HCL Tech, Infosys, Wipro. All the IT stocks have given the gains what they accumulated yesterday. Now let's look at Dr. Reddy, Lupin, Cipla, the large pharma names. What is the trend there? I would also like to draw everyone's attention to what is happening to platform companies. InfoEdge, Nazara, it was locked down yesterday. Hello, issue which hit out of the park in terms of subscription number did not really remain the fancy of the market. So InfoEdge, 4% higher, 5% higher now for InfoEdge, 191, 192. Nazara is falling as if there is no tomorrow. Yes, Nazara is now down another 9%, which means from yesterday's IPO open versus where it is right now, lot of gains have been knocked out already. So Nazara is not really resonating very well with investors, and that's been the problem point, that none of the IPOs of late in last 7-8 days have gone down very well. I mean, Nazara is still trading above its issue price, but the others are not even trading above the issue price. That is a problem, and now the breadth is caving in. So for me, it's not the Nifty, it's the breadth which I think is a concern, and the breadth is now threatening to move in favor of declines rather than advances.
Yeah, absolutely. Nazara, of course, is the peculiar case, but that aside, just want to quickly revisit what the F&O picture as well is looking like. Today, you've got a Gujarat Gas, IGL. These are the kind of names that are actually holding out. Lal Path Labs is up about 1%. There's Naukri, which has made quite a dash, about a 3% uptick coming in there. But if I just look at the overall texture of the market, that's pretty tentative. That 300-point move that you saw yesterday seems long forgotten because a large chunk of the market is in the red. Now, you could debate that, the biggest loser is ONGC, which is down about only 1.5%, or for that matter, DLF, which is down 1.6%. But 106 F&O names are standing to the red, with not just DLF, ONGC, but Mindtree, which was the winner yesterday, Coforge. So even within mid-cap IT in that sense, you're seeing a diversification there, with Mindtree, Coforge on one end, Naukri on the other. That's really the texture of the market. There's nothing definitive even within the winners that you can call a big move. GAIL, of course, is moving up after the upgrades coming in this morning. Tata Motors holding up 1.6%. Divi's is up 1%, but it's a very tentative start. We're down 75 points, and Nikunj, that's much in line with what the SENSEX Nifty was indicating earlier today.